welcome to Cultivated, the podcast where sustainable landscapes meet smart solutions. I'm Eric Behunin, your host, and today's episode is titled, Don't Let the Robot Mow You Over. We'll be talking all about the latest in wireless robotic mowers, why professional installation still matters, answering some of the most common questions, and discussing cost and long-term value. Plus, stick around for a handy homeowner hack checklist at the end. Let's kick things off with what's new in the world of robotic mowers. No wires, no limits? Yep, you heard that right. The new RTK GPS mowers are cutting grass with precision without a single wire buried in your yard. These mowers use satellite-guided mapping and a ground-based RTK station to know where to mow and where to avoid. It's as clean and efficient as it gets. Got a new flower bed you want to save from the mower's wrath? No problem, change the map, no digging required. This isn't just innovation. It's lawn care, upgraded. A smarter, more adaptable way to maintain your yard. Next up, why does professional installation still matter? Here's what I've seen time and time again. A homeowner buys a robot mower, unboxes it like it's a vacuum, sets it up themselves, and within a week, they're pulling out their hair. But why? Because these aren't toys. These are smart systems, and setup is crucial. Even without wires, RTK mowers need clean satellite access, precision mapping, correct placement of the RTK base station, and a whole lot of calibration, firmware setup, app alignment, zone testing, the works. Getting a pro install ensures your mower works from day one with full property coverage, smart scheduling, and no guesswork. A professional setup can save you a headache and make sure you get the best performance out of your mower. Now on to some of the most common questions I get from homeowners. First up, can it handle complex yards? Yes, it can. Multi-zones, slopes, tricky layouts are all manageable when the digital map is built correctly. Next, people ask, is Wi-Fi required? No, most of these mowers use LTE or Bluetooth, so connectivity won't be a problem. Another frequent question is it safe for kids and pets? Absolutely. These mowers come with onboard sensors that make them stop instantly if they bump into anything, or if someone tries to lift them. Lastly, can I relocate it? You bet. These mowers are portable and reprogrammable, so you're set, even if you decide to move house or redesign your yard. Let's talk cost and long-term value. A quality wireless robotic mower with a full installation will run you between $4,500 and $8,500, depending on your yard's complexity and the features you choose. That price covers RTK mapping, equipment, setup, training, and support. Compare that to spending around $3,000 a year on professional mow crews, and you're looking at breaking even fairly quickly. Not to mention the time and stress you save by not having to deal with the weekly grind of lawn maintenance. Before you dive into getting a robotic mower, here's your homeowner hack checklist. First, does your yard have good satellite visibility? Second, will the mower cover multiple turf zones? Third, who's going to set this up and maintain it? Fourth, can you update the map if you remodel your yard? And fifth, are you buying from a trusted, service-backed brand? If the answer to any of these is, I'm not sure, you might want to hit pause on that purchase and give us a call for some advice. That wraps up this week's homeowner hack. Don't let the robot mow you over. Get the right system, set it up professionally, and enjoy a flawless lawn with none of the grind. Visit GoSmartYard.com for more install info or swing by our Taylorsville showroom. Until next time, stay smart, stay sustainable, and keep it cultivated.